My name is Rylan Lazarus. I'm a second-year communication, media, and film student with cooperative education. I always wanted to do something with film since I was very young, but I didn't want to stick just to film. I didn't want to do the BFA. I wanted to still have some of the theory things. I always wanted to do something with communications, but also have that film aspect too, so it was good because it had both of those things, and you don't see those a lot. Social media is huge, and you kind of have to be involved in it or you're not going with the future in that way. Everything is online, everything is happening online, and everything you do is going to be pictured in a way, I guess you could say. And I do think that all the professors that I've had so far, I'm only in second year, but they've all been great, and they've all taught me things that I definitely wouldn't have learned if I hadn't come here. I've gotten to do a couple of things for my Film Production 1 class, and that was a very interesting class. And then in my Film Production 2 class, I got to actually make a short film, which is super exciting because I'd never done that before. I'm very lucky that I got to join this program because those things are things I never thought I'd be able to do in school and get graded on something for making a film. That's something I always wanted to do when I was younger. I really enjoy the community here. Everyone is very welcoming, and I feel like since it's the border city, you get all types of people. It's very diverse, so you get a lot of different opinions from a lot of different people, and that makes it so you can actually make a project that's accessible to everyone, which I think is very important in just making anything online. That's what makes communication, media, and film really great, because it combines those two things, the theory and the practical stuff, and it makes it something that you can actually see. You can see when you make a film, you can see the sides of the theory that you're using when you make the film, and when you think about things theory-wise, you understand what kind of practical skills in the film that you're adding to that as well. I do find it easier to talk to people in general and network with people, especially at the university. Everyone needs communications in their life. Thrive at UWindsor.